In today's video, I'm going to show you how to search for records inside Airtable, so you can quickly find exactly what you need without scrolling through endless rows. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe. And let's get right into it. First, open your browser and head over to Airtable. Once you're there, go ahead and click the Login button and sign into your account. You'll land on your workspace dashboard, which shows all of your bases. Now, open the base that contains the table you want to work with. Bases are like project containers, and inside them live individual tables holding your actual records. So, click on the correct base to open it. Next, you need to open the specific table that contains the records you want to search through. Tables are listed along the top of the base, and each one holds a different set of data. Go ahead and click the one you need. Now, look at the top of that table, and you'll see a search bar. It's usually a small text field sitting right above your column headers, often with a magnifying glass icon. Click inside that search bar to activate it. Now, type in any keyword name or value you want to find. For example, if you're looking for a contact named Sarah, just type Sarah. As you type, Airtable instantly filters your table and displays only the records that match what you've entered. It will scan every column in your table, so whether the search term appears in a name, a date, or a note, Airtable will pull it up for you. This is incredibly useful when you're working with large datasets and need to zero in on a specific piece of information quickly. Once your results appear, just click on any matching record to view or edit its details. You can click directly on a field within the grid, or if you have expanded records, click the record itself to open a full view. When you're done and want to see your full table again, simply clear the search bar by deleting the text or clicking the X icon that appears. Your complete list of records will instantly return. And there you have it. You now know how to search for records in Airtable, making it a breeze to find exactly what you need in seconds. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.